These are the 7 best saunas of this year. And before we get into which one is my favorite, let me pull up a couple of your questions and address exactly what you guys are asking in the community, because let's get one thing straight. If you buy the wrong infrared sauna, you won't realize it for about 6 months. It's gonna do what everybody says over here in the Facebook group. It's gonna do what everybody says here in the YouTube channel. It'll be like the Amazon reviews. It'll heat up, you're gonna sweat a little. You'll tell yourself, oh, it's fine, my body is just adjusting. But the heater layout is weak, you guys. Like, really pay attention to the FLIR videos that I've been producing for the last 3 years. It shows you where the heat is lacking in each sauna. The EMF can be higher than advertised,
which is cause for concern.
If that matters to you, if it doesn't matter to you, I wouldn't worry about it. If you're not seeing actual tests on live video, what are we really looking at? A lot of these things, like this Amazon one here, the wood is thin, you know? And you saved maybe $600. You're gonna use this thing for the next 10 or 15 years. Are you gonna care about 600 bucks? Probably not. You know, so today I'm giving you what I think are the 7 best infrared saunas of this year. No junk, no Amazon gimmicks where, you know, you're looking at 5-star reviews, but they ask for these reviews before the product is even delivered, so you get a free gift card or a gift. No shortcuts, no Costco shortcuts. If you want a Costco sauna, if you want something under $2,000, we have that too. Look at the Life Pro, it just works better. I have one right here. So let's get into it. Why most best sauna lists are just totally wrong. If you Google best infrared sauna, you're gonna see the same brands repeated everywhere. Like I have some of them pulled up because you guys are asking about it. It's not really because they're the best. It's because they're mass retail. They're easy to ship. They're easy to, you know, refer to the Washington Post and that conglomerate that posts all these things. They're made for volume. Just like TVs on Black Friday sale. Volume manufacturing always means compromises. Usually in saunas, it means fewer heating panels. It's gonna be like these, where higher EMF wiring, thin wood, you know, cosmetic features instead of performance upgrades. 1 speaker instead of 2, crappy LED lighting or supposed red light therapy when it's just like a 4-watt LED light or something that you can change the colors on. And the crazy part, the price difference between a premium sauna and a warehouse sauna in some cases is only $500 to $800. It's not enough to justify cutting corners on something that you're gonna sit in for 35 to 45 minutes at a time 4 times a week. Do you know how many hours a year that is? So let's talk about some that are the real winners that I think. Number 1, it's gonna be Radiant Health. Tried and true, best overall. If I had to pick one brand that balances, you know, everything from all these choices that you guys sent in, performance, heater layout, EMF, build quality, it's gonna be Radiant Health. And here's why. Most saunas, they heat the air. Radiant Health heats your body and it does it really, really well because their heater layout is the best in the industry and they have a concealed heater under the bench, always have selectable heaters in the floor, and their calf, leg, back, side coverage is impeccable. So heater coverage is gonna surround you. That coverage is gonna matter a lot more than a max temperature. Most people are obsessed over how hot does it get. Like I'm sitting here reading your comments and stuff and it's like, wrong question. The right question is, how evenly does it heat your body and how effectively can it produce a sweat regardless of temperature? Radiant Health produces sweat faster. It has a quicker preheat onset without needing extreme air temps. That means that it's gonna be more comfortable in your sessions. You have better heat penetration, you got less strain, and you have more sustainable long-term use. Your nervous system's not gonna be taxed as much, but you can still get the detox and the health benefits of heat therapy. So they also incorporate smart design upgrades like insulated roofing, which improves heat retention and efficiency. So if you wanna purchase for the next 10 years, I say Radiant Health is the safest bet. I've been using them for years, and so have my friends and family and a bunch of other people. So, by the way, if you're serious about detox and you're investing in a sauna like this, the biggest mistake that I see is people ignoring mineral rebalancing and binder timing if they need it. I'll do a separate video on that, but if you're just jumping in blind, you're missing half of the equation here. Anyway, back to the rankings. Number 2 is gonna be Heavenly Heat. Best clean build quality, still low EMF. If Radiant Health wins in overall engineering, Heavenly Heat wins on purity. Heavenly Heat focuses heavily on low EMF wiring, minimal adhesives, clean wood construction, lower VOC exposure, and intentional heater placement. The brand appeals to every specific buyer depending on the size also. So a person who cares deeply about environmental exposure, if you're highly EMF sensitive, if you're chemically sensitive, just want the cleanest build possible, Heavenly Heat is elite. They're not flashy, they're very intentional. They also offer outdoor and indoor, which is difficult to get at a lot of companies. So, and that's the difference. Sometimes I might love a brand for one set of criteria, but a person's needs, like your individual use case, your needs, your desires, There's just not a model that's a match from that brand. So does it make the brand bad or good? No. All these salespeople, they say all kinds of crazy stuff and they make it about features and everything else. But really what it comes down to is you and your family's needs, the criteria of options, and the hierarchy of what's important to you first. A good example of this would be the Heavenly Heat Eco. This is absolutely the small space winner. If you live in a condo, a tight apartment, a smaller home, the Eco models, they're kind of mini models. They're the best compact premium builds available that I've seen in the last couple of years. You're not dropping down to junk tier construction just because you lack space either, and that's really, really important. These things are built like tanks, absolute tanks. If you haven't seen these, it's one of the fastest preheats in the industry, and man, do they pack a punch. You will sweat your tail off, and you'll be wondering, am I in a traditional sauna? Because the Heavenly Heat Eco Mini is like very, very, very powerful. So number 3 brand on the list is Clearlight. This is absolutely the best luxury sauna. Clearlight has strong brand recognition and it's earned. They focus heavily on like aesthetic refinements, strong warranty, clean fit and finish, modern interior styling. I'm looking at a couple pictures here. We have one in the other office too that I use on videos just for you. Modern interior styling. Performance-wise, they're pretty solid except for some of the smaller models, but where they really shine is how they integrate into a high-end home gym or spa build-out, and they're pre-wired for accessorizing. So if you want to add things like red light therapy, Radiant Health just came out with this too, but Clearlight has had it for several years. So if aesthetics matter to you, Clearlight is a really, really, really strong choice. Now, not everything has to be about premium. I like premium because I've used these for a long time. I really, really care about the actual experience because I know that if I don't really enjoy it, I don't like it, I am going to slack on using it regularly. And the number one thing that's going to make a difference in my life and in my health is if I use it regularly. So I'm all about investing so that the likelihood that I'll stick to my schedule is a lot higher. But let's talk about some budget options. Number 4 brand to discuss is LifePro. This is the absolute best brand under $2,000. They did a sale for our community not too long ago. I think the discount code was Sauna20. They gave 20% off all their saunas. They had a one person that's regularly $2,000. I think it was like $1,630 or $1,750 or something like that. It absolutely slaughters the Costco sauna in terms of heat delivery, how much you sweat, and it's off camera, but I'll do a separate video on it. I think it looks better. It has a better presence. It has like a valance panel on top with lights in it. The fit and finish is better. The performance smashes the Costco saunas. I know everybody hates me for saying that, but it's true. And they're less money. They're $200-300 less when they do a sale like that. So not everyone has $4,000 to $6,000. LifePro sits in an under $2,000 range and it delivers a solid, sweat quality for the money. Now let's be clear. It's not ultra low EMF. It's not, handcrafted. There are some, build issues and things like that. It's not premium wood, but it does produce real infrared heat with good coverage. And you can see that. I checked it on a FLIR gun and I compared it to a $5,000 sauna. And that's why people are sweating in this sauna when their feet are cold and dry in a Costco sauna. This is less money and it works well. It's not perfect. Nothing under $2,000 is perfect. And I've been telling you guys that over and over. This is more than I can say for a lot of ultra cheap Amazon units that we've tried. We've got one back in the corner over there. It just doesn't work well. So if you're budget constrained and you want real performance, this is a good entry point and I would highly recommend you check it out. A quick note, if you're shopping under $2,000, do not sort by highest reviews on Amazon only. You gotta look at some other stuff. The reviews are usually based on like assembly ease, shipping speed, cosmetic imperfections, was it delivered damaged? Because when you see the negative reviews, all they're really covering is, oh, this had a hole in it when it showed up. But you don't see other reviews like, oh, I love the finish. So really only people come out of the woodwork to do reviews when there's a problem most of the time. The other 50% are incentivized in some way where people are like, oh, there's a little card in the packet when you open the box. You've seen this, and it says, oh, if you give us a 5-star review, we'll send you X, or we'll give you this discount, or we'll give you a gift card, or we'll send you this accessory for free. That's not long-term heater performance. That's not how good the sweat is. This is how people get misled. All right, moving on. Number 5 is going to be the Relax Portable Sauna. This is the best portable option this year. Portable saunas get hate. Some of it's deserved, but the Relax Portable Sauna, it does do a decent job in its category. It is a little expensive now because they raised the price, but you're getting real infrared heat, you're getting foldable design, you're getting compact storage, and apartment flexibility or portable flexibility that you can take with you on the go. It's not cabinet like level build quality. But for renters, short-term setups, anybody who's mobile, it's very, very practical, and it does get hot. It will make you sweat. Number 6 brand is the One Love Sauna Dome. This is the best laydown option for the money that I've found. They have low EMF versions that are expensive, and they have affordable versions that are not. This one's kind of different. Instead of sitting upright, you lie down horizontally inside a dome. So that changes the entire experience. The heat feels different. The relaxation posture changes. The sweat pattern is going to shift. Some people love upright cabins. Others swear by horizontal domes just because that's what's comfortable to them. This is a lot more niche or detox focused users who prefer laying down or have health challenges and they can't sit up for a long time or have like some type of sciatica or whatever. But it's a powerful alternative if this is what you're looking for. A quick note, why I don't usually recommend some of these like Costco or big, I just call them Costco, but they're really just big box saunas. It has nothing to do with actual Costco. It's the mass produced products for mass retail. Let's be direct here too, because mass retail brands, they typically cut corners and you don't notice it on day one.
Because they've had some that catch on fire.
They have fewer heating panels. A lot of times they have high EMF wiring. They'll have thin wood. They have weak insulation. They'll do cosmetic upgrades instead of engineering upgrades. And the problem with that is these things are not going to contribute to your sweat. All right. Again, the price difference isn't massive, but when you're already investing thousands into your health, saving $600 at the cost of build quality just isn't smart. This isn't patio furniture. It's a health tool. So, let's get into how to choose the right infrared sauna for your individual needs. If you're still deciding, here's what's actually going to matter for you. Number 1 is going to be heater layout. Heater coverage is going to trump temperature every single time. Always. I'm going to say it again. Heater coverage is going to just annihilate temperature every single time. Everyone wants something like a dial on the screen, a number on the screen, so that they feel comfortable that it hits 165, 175, this, that, and the other. But that doesn't really mean anything because the temperature probe is on the ceiling hanging an inch down. That's not where your body is at. So you need heater coverage to deliver that same amount of heat to your tissues so that you get an effective sweat and you get all the benefits of heat therapy. The number on the screen is only half of what's happening. Infrared saunas don't just rely on convection, so really, really pay attention to what makes these things work well and what is really just marketing gimmicks. So number 2 is going to be EMF levels. Ask for real measurements, not marketing claims. If you can't see, I've got EMF meters all over the place here. We'll grab one, do a video for you after this. If you can't see on live video, people testing electric fields, magnetic fields, RF radiation, like EMF is a plural term. It's not just one thing. So when somebody says, oh, your cell phone has more EMF than our sauna, well, number 1, that's a completely different type of EMF that projects 15 feet into a room. A sauna does not. It's very highly concentrated at close range where you're sitting in the seated body position. Go watch some of my videos. I mean, these people are just being misleading. They're being deceptive. They're not delivering the product as advertised, and then they're backed into a corner, so they'll just say, oh, a cell phone or your house has more EMF. No, that's not actually the point. The point is you're charging me extra money for a low EMF sauna and you're not delivering it. So just say what it is. Say that we're a company that doesn't believe in low EMF stuff. We don't think it matters, so we don't focus on that. Our saunas are higher EMF, but they won't do that. They'll mislead you and then blame somebody else. I don't like that. It's just marketing claims for them at the end of the day. In my eyes, that's kind of criminal because you could just go buy something cheaper and not focus on that as a criteria at all. So why make it they're making it a big deal when they bring it up in the sales listing and tell you all this stuff. So follow through, please. Number 3 is wood quality. Thicker panels are just going to retain heat and last longer. It's that simple. When you see me carrying a Costco a sauna with 2 fingers, you can tell that the panels are light. I mean like super thin. They're 3/4 of an inch thick. It's 2 glue lamp pieces with little furring strips in between, made into a wall assembly. That's very different than a 2-inch wall assembly from a premium sauna offering. It's just, you get what you pay for. Number 4 is electrical requirements. You got to make sure that your space is going to support this thing. If not, get a plug-and-play sauna that'll work on a 10-15 amp outlet. I have tons of videos that cover this in detail. You do not want to be surprised on sauna delivery day and realize that you need an electrical upgrade and you didn't budget for it. So really pay attention to that. Number 5 is size and fit. Measure your space before you buy. I've seen way too many people in full-on panic mode on delivery day taking the thing out of the box and realize, oh crap, this doesn't fit. It won't fit down our stairwell. It won't make this turn. It won't do that. So make sure, especially if it's a large sauna, small saunas, you don't have to worry about this too much. If it's a large sauna, 3 or 4 person or something close to that, you want to measure the back wall piece. It's the largest piece on any sauna. take that measurement and make sure that you can make turns with it, because you don't want to get caught. And if you're wondering which sauna I personally use most often and what I would put in a family member's house, it's Radiant Health or Heavenly Heat, depending on their sensitivity level. And that's the honest answer. The only time I even worry about sensitivity level too is if somebody has multiple chemical sensitivities. I tripped over the words there. But it's, you know, this is not most of us. I'm not like that. I don't have crazy reactions if I use the wrong soap on my hands or if somebody has a perfume on or something like that. It's these people really highly reactive to all types of stuff that even have to worry about that. If you're not one of those people, I'm not one of those people. I don't really concern myself with it. I go for what suits my needs. These saunas are super clean. So final rankings recap. Here's the top models. Best overall is going to be Radiant Health. Best ultra clean build is Heavenly Heat. The best luxury aesthetic is going to be Clear Light. The best models under $2,000 are going to come from Life Pro. The best portable sauna is going to be your Relax sauna. The best lie down is going to be the One Love Sauna Dome. And the best compact premium sauna for apartments, condos, anywhere where you might be moving frequently is the Heavenly Heat Eco. No fluff, no junk, no warehouse shortcuts, just good saunas. And if this has helped you narrow things down, drop your space size and budget in the comments and I'll tell you what direction I'd lean if I were you. If you want deeper dives on EMF, heater layouts, detox protocols, I've got those videos linked below too. And if you're serious about getting this right the first time, don't just buy what's easiest. Buy what's built well. I'll see you in the next one.